Hello, and welcome to my little unboxing. I just purchased this Jlab Audio Talk USB microphone, and I really like it, so I wanted to make a video for you. I'm just going to run through some of the specs here that they have listed. It boasts professional grade recording. The microphone features a studio quality resolution of 96 kHz/24-bit to ensure the recording is clear, detailed, and delivers great dynamic sound range for everyday use. Great for home, in the office, or outdoors. There are 4 directional pattern modes: cardioid, omnidirectional, stereo, and bidirectional. The cardioid mode is suitable for things such as individual calls, gaming, streaming, voiceover, podcasting, ASMR, and vlogging. The stereo position is good for music recording and also ASMR. The Omni mode is good for business calls, group streaming, group voiceover, multi-purpose podcasting, and group music recording. The bidirectional mode is good for 2-person interviews, streaming, voiceovers, and duet music recording. There's also mention of controlling your recording. There's gain control if there's any sensitivity, lack of sound, or distortion. You should adjust this. Choose your audio preference with the adjustments in loudness with volume control and a 3.5mm auxiliary input for real-time listening with 0 latency. It's plug and play. There are no drivers. You just plug it in and you're good to go. It comes with a 6.5-foot USB to USB-C cable and uses a standard size 5/8 input for swivel mounting anything like camera tripods or other stands. Now I'm just going to run through their spec list here. Some of these might be repeated. It features 3 condensers. It has volume control, gain control, and quick mute. It has a condenser pressure gradient with USB digital output transducer type. The frequency response is 20 Hz through 20 kHz. The max SPL is 120 decibels. It has a 96K sample rate, a 24-bit depth. There are 3 by 14mm condenser capsules. It weighs approximately 215 grams or 412.7 grams with the stand. The dimensions are 135 by 70 by 63 or 235 by 195 by 195 millimeters with the tripod. It works with Windows 7, 8, 10, Mac 10.10, or higher. There's a 2-year warranty. I do really like the boxing that this came in. This is a really nice padded foam inserts here. They fit perfectly around the mic, so you could reuse this box. If you wanted to travel with this or something, it'd be perfect to have around. I should also mention that I designed and 3D printed a bracket here to hang this pop filter that I already had lying around, which I will post a link to my Thingiverse where this is if you want to get this. I'll also post a link to a pop filter that is similar to the one that I have. These are non-affiliated links. This isn't a sponsored video. Jlabs did not sponsor this video. I just really like this microphone. It is my first own USB microphone, like it's mine, actually mine. I bought it. So, yeah, I really like it. And all of this that you're hearing right now was recorded with this microphone. So, yeah, check it out. I mean, it's $100. That's pretty decent, I guess, for a USB mic. They have a model that is stepped down, like I believe it's $50. But I had a gift card to my local Best Buy, so I just went ahead and went for the $100 one, and I am pleasantly pleased. Anyway, have the best day ever, and I hope you enjoyed this.